Yeah, here's Abby's puppies after breakfast. I guess it's just like normal babies. There's quite a mess to clean up. There's gold, red, dark blue, fuchsia, gold, purple, mint green, and pink. Orange collar. That's fuchsia. Oh, pink. That's purple. There's fuchsia. Pink. Red boy. They're doing the high step now, which is a real poodle trait where they walk with their front paws way out like they're marching. Little struts the poodles have. There's purple, and fuchsia, and blue, and gold. Purple. You see, after breakfast we have to clean up again. I actually send Mom in. And there's baby Blue. He's caught onto the poopy area, so that's great. There's gold. It's funny because they have their little friends that they like to play with. And like pink and fuchsia are usually right together with gold. And there's dark blue. Where are you going?